All right, so we're going to be checking out room 1108 here at Carmana Suites and Hotel. Very close to the port of Vancouver. And then just as we get in here, I'll show you real quick, there is a closet here with an ironing board and an iron. Closet that you can store some stuff. As we push past the entryway, Mr. and Mrs. Coaster out there in the distance. We got off the left here a little dining area, round table. It does have a dimmer switch here, so you can turn that up or down as you like. And we'll just continue straight ahead in the living area. There's a couch, side chair, television. Got a beautiful view out here of downtown Vancouver, mountain in the distance, and the port is just about a 14-minute walk or 5-minute cab ride right out that way. And you can see some decent views out here. There is a grocery store right here, right across the street. There's a steakhouse, but right next door is a grocery store. So let's come over here. All right, we got a kitchen, an actual full-size kitchen with a stove, an oven, and I believe they've got a pretty decent amount of items that you can make food with, and supplies. Nothing in there. Those are empty. Microwave, freezer, and refrigerator. So you could certainly, with a close grocery store, you could certainly make a lot of meals here at the hotel if you needed to. Sink, dishwasher. And this is kind of cool. There's an executive, sort of a computer work office looking out over the downtown area. The desk here has a little cubby, looks like a drawer. There are a couple of USB outlets here, as well as a couple of power plugs. The Wi-Fi is really simple. Just connect. It's an additional plug down here, but it's glassed in, so you can close this door and kind of get a little privacy if you need it. But of course, you're not going to be completely closed off. But so let's head over this way, and we have a full-size bathroom, a single sink, and a tub shower combo. You got the handheld shower piece that you can pull off. And then this is the door to the bedroom. We're going to circle around, but this door does open directly to the bedroom, so you don't have to go out and around to go to the bathroom. And then entering from the living area here is the bedroom. Not a big bedroom, but you don't need one. This room is pretty big as a one-bedroom hotel suite. And just panning back here, here's the door to the bathroom right here. And then we've got a closet. We have a few things in here already, bag. And then as we pull to the other side here, we have a safe and some slippers, robe. So plenty of closet space. Now there are a couple of power outlets that are occupied right here, but there is a USB plug right here. There's also a power outlet right there attached to the lamp. And then as we come over to the other side, there is again a power outlet and a USB plug. So you got both of those accessible on top of the nightstand. So this is the bedroom, and then we've got a small flat screen TV here in view of the bed. So that is a tour of the Carmana Suites and Hotel. It's really conveniently located to a lot of things, a lot of food, restaurants, activities. Stanley Park is just a short walk away. Granville Island Market is a very short walk away. The port is a short walk away. There's a lot of things close by here, and there's also close access to the train if you want to take the train anywhere around Vancouver. So pretty nice hotel so far. And this has been a tour of the hotel and suites, Carmana Hotel and Suites. Thanks for watching.